Hello? Are you guys still there? Alright. Alright guys. It's been a long time, but we finally got more parts to put on. So we got a Y pipe for my car. It's over here. It's over there. Okay. And then, yeah, we already got the car jacked up. So I mean, it really shouldn't take that long. It's just a couple bolts we have to take out and move shit around. But we got Hector here, and then we got Jesse James. New toys, Jesse?
New toys.
Oh! Oh!
Extra lube.
Alright, so this was the one that just came out. I think the previous owner was modified and fucking scraped the hell out of these, because I'm not too sure. I mean, this is the new one, and it's a lot more girthier than this one, and a lot more nice looking.
It's a little lighter too.
Yeah, but who gives a fuck about shedding pounds, I guess.
Well, it's gonna be a little bit better too, because right here they got crush bends, and right here this is mandrel bend, so you're actually getting, there's no, you're not having any restriction in the pipe at all.
Science with Jesse. Okay, all right, we finally got the Y pipe in. I forgot the gaskets at home, or I don't know where I put them, so we had to use gasket maker on the one in the back. But other than that, it was pretty solid. Fitment was good, everything was good. I don't know what company it is, or that made it. If I do, I'll let you guys know. I'll put it in the description or something like that. But it's almost time for the startup, so yeah. Okay, we're about to do the startup right now and see how it fucking sounds. Do you hear a difference? I hear a difference.
I don't know. It sounds slightly deeper.
Yeah, it sounds a little deeper. Hold on. It sounds it's a lot raspier now. A lot. It sounds smoother at idle. Yeah, it does sound a lot smoother.
Give her a good one.
Flamethrower, just put one of those wish fucking light up things right there. Alright, sick.